Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my very first Dashing Diva Gloss Gel Nail Strips. These were gifted to me from Dashing Diva. In my bundle, they included 3 of the Ultra Shine Gel color. Each of these comes with 27 gel nail strips and a nail file, and they last up to 14 days. The shades are Poppy Power, Harbor Mist, and Iced Mint. On the back of each box, they have instructions on how to apply these gel strips. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We get our gel nail strips and the instruction pamphlet, which includes pro tips on how to apply and remove your gel nail strips. So be sure to read it first before you start applying your gel nail strips. Let's get ready to apply them. Prepping your nails and making sure to push back your cuticles and remove any oils from your nails is the first step and the most important one, because you want to make sure that these nail strips adhere to your nails. They also recommend using their Red Therapy Base Seal treatment for gloss to protect and strengthen natural nails before application and even after removal. I don't have it, so I can't test it out with you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and use my 7-in-1 nail treatment as a base for my manicure. This step is not required, so you can just apply the nail strip directly onto your nail if you prefer, but I really want to try it with a base coat. The next step is choosing the perfect size for each nail. If you're in between sizes, they recommend using a strip that is smaller rather than larger so that it doesn't touch your skin. I really like that the strips come in this clear plastic so that it's easy to find the perfect size and measure it perfectly over your nails. Once you've selected the perfect size for each nail, it's time to apply the strips. You can either pick up the strip directly with your fingers or use the tweezers to make it easier. Using the tweezers is a good tip because that way you'll avoid touching the back where the adhesive is. After peeling up the strip, carefully place it onto the nail, close to the cuticle without touching the skin. Then, using your finger, gently press it down the center and smooth it onto each side of the nail. Now it's time to remove the excess. I carefully fold it over the nail and file down in the same direction using the white side of the file. I accidentally used the pink side, which is the side to smooth, so I took a little bit longer than you're supposed to try to remove the excess piece. But once I was done, I love the way it turned out. It looks really, really pretty. I'm gonna try doing it without the tweezers and see if I can do it without the tweezers. So this is the one for my next nail. I'm gonna carefully peel it up. Place it as close to the base without touching the skin. And gently press it down the center and to the sides. Trying to figure out what is the best way to avoid getting these little wrinkles on the sides. My nails are so long, it's really difficult to do that. And you really can't hesitate. Like, once you stick it on there, you just press it down and keep going. I overfilled with this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. So let's try out and see how to remove them if it works. I apply a generous amount of cuticle oil and gently peel up the nail strip. I finished off the manicure and I really like the way it turned out. I do want to say that it wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be, and it did take a little bit of time to apply these. This was my very first time trying these. So it does take a little bit of adjusting, and I think that the more I practice, the better I'll get at it. Once you're done applying the nails, the manicure is complete, but I wanted to go ahead and seal the edges of my manicure using a top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and apply, and then I'll have the completed manicure. Overall, I had a great time applying these, and they definitely lasted a long time on my nails. Here's a quick update on my nails. I've been wearing them for 7 days and this is what they look like, still shiny and glossy. I do see a little bit of wear on the tips, but that could be because of the top coat that I applied, but I really like the way they look. I also really want to try out the one that is a palette, which comes with 34 strips and it includes accent nails. I'm really excited to try this set out and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks so much for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!